Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how I do my skincare routine and what I put on my face to make it look good. So let's get into this video. Woo! Okay, number one is I use this. Okay, you can't really see what it is. Okay, what it is basically a homemade mask. It's honey and baking powder, and basically you take some baking powder, a lot of honey, and you mix it with a little bit of water, and that's it. That's your homemade mask, and you're gonna apply this on your face. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like on my face. Okay, so now you can see it's on my face. So basically what the honey does is it's an antioxidant. Yeah, I think that's oxidant. Oh my gosh, there's some okay, and the baking powder. So what you're gonna do, what the honey does is basically it's an antioxidant, so it brings up all the blemishes, pimples, zits, whatever you want to call them, and it makes your face really, really, really soft. So you should try it. It's really easy. If it doesn't work for you, that's okay too. Everyone's skin is different. But what I do is I only put this, sometimes I put this on in the morning by itself, but most of the time I mix it with this, which is turmeric and baking powder, and you're gonna mix this with a little bit of water too, and it's an antioxidant, so it brings out all the just bad stuff that's in your pores, and it opens up your pores, and yeah, so you can try it and see if it works for you. It's really easy, and what I do is I do this every second day, so I have one day in between where my skin can just breathe and let all the bad stuff come up, and then I do it again the next day and it goes back down, or it goes away. And yeah, so you should try it if you want to. And now I'm gonna put this on and I'll show you how it looks. It does leave a little bit of a yellowish tint, but I'll show you how I get rid of that in a second, in a moment. This music is okay. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, as you can see, it's on. I am the new alien. Oh my. Okay, so you can see I'm back and I look like I should be in the Avengers. I'm like an alien. Okay, so basically this is gonna stay on for until it dries, and I'm gonna wash it off with some of this, which is what I'm using. It's Garnier Skincare Pure Active, and it's 3-in-1 wash, scrub, and mask. So if you want to try that out, you can. It's working for me for now. So yes, I do use this mask, 2 masks. There are 2 masks. I use them to remove my makeup as well. I just put it on over the makeup, and then I use this, helps remove the makeup as too. So you can just, yeah, I do that. My hands. Dance party, y'all. And if you try this, comment below if it helped for you, if this helped your skin. Try it for at least, I would say, 2 weeks, just to see the best results. It won't, obviously on the first wash, it's not gonna like cure your skin magically. If only. But if you try it, do tell me if it works. And if you want to go over and watch how to take better care of your skin, I'll link the video in the description box below. And what I forgot to mention is that video is mirrors help me a lot. Now, why? You see, the only mirror I have is the mirror in my room, is this one in the bathroom. You can't see it, but so that is the only mirror in my room, and that helps a lot because I found that if I have a lot of mirrors in my room, I tend to want to pop my pimples more, and that's bad. Don't do that, because it will just make more pimples, and it will leave scars, and it's really not nice. So if you have a lot of mirrors in your room, maybe try and get rid of 1 or 2, just because I find that I don't go directly to the bathroom just to pop my pimples. Like, I'm not gonna do that. Like, that's just too much work. Whereas if I have a mirror in my room where I can see myself and I'm sitting in my bed on my phone or reading a book, I'm like, oh look, I can see myself in the mirror. Oh look, there's a pumpkin. Let me just quickly pop it. So now that I only have this mirror, it really does help. So if you want to get rid of a few mirrors in your room, or just if you only have one mirror, then that's good. This is just personal. I don't know if it works for you. If it does, that's cool. But you can try it, and yeah. Also, these masks have helped a lot with my scars. I had a lot of scars around here, and they virtually removed a lot of the scars. Like, a lot of scars are gone. So these masks help with that too. So if you want to try this, do. It's natural, and it's like takes 10 minutes to make, and like, yeah. So if you want to try it, do that. Okay. Now we're just waiting for this to dry. I'm glad you want it all the night. Mr. Dead Man walking the line. Yeah. I know this song. I do. Blood, you want it. And if you like these videos that I've been posting, then subscribe. It doesn't take long. If you want to get notifications, just hit the notification button. Little bell, it's like this tiny. Yeah, hit that. Hit on that. Also, if you have any suggestions what else I should do, what other skincare things I can show you, what other hair care things I can show you, also do that. But I'm going to be doing a video very soon on tips and tricks. That's the videos, and knickknacks. Tips and tricks and knickknacks. That's what it's going to be about. Basically just tips on hair, skincare, and other things that in life. So you should wait for that, or just look out for that. It'll be coming soon. So yeah. Hey. Okay, so it's basically almost dry. You should at least wait 10 to 20 minutes. Sometimes I just put it on before I come in the shower, and then I take a shower, and at the end of the shower wash it off. That helps for me, so if you want to try that. But if you're just doing it normally, it's like 10, 20, 20 minutes or 15 minutes or 10 minutes. So I'm going to wash it off now. It's not completely dry, but that's okay. I'm going to do that, and I'll be back, and I'll show you how I use the other face wash, y'all. Okay, so as you can see, there's a little bit, there's a lot of tint, and I look like an alien. This is great. But feel the softness. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply this, if you didn't today, it's Garnier Skin Active Pure Active. Wow. They're very active in this thing. Wow. Okay. So I'm just going to put some, not a lot, just about that much. And I'm going to apply that evenly to my face, y'all. Okay, I'm just going to... I'm just going to put this on my face. I'll be back. I forgot, use a cloth. You're gonna think I use this one, but use a don't use a white one. Don't do that. That's not a good idea. Okay, as you can see, it's a little bit better, but I'm gonna apply a little bit more because there's still some coloration. And I'll be back. Okay, so as you can see, the coloration is gone. You just take a moment to look at this. Okay, so that is basically it, and your face is clean. It's soft. You can see my makeup is gone, and that's how I do my skincare routine. If you like this video, basically it. That's it. So again, I'm gonna take you through the steps. Honey, baking powder, water. Mix that. That's mask number 1. Mask number mask Mask number 2 is turmeric and baking powder and a little bit of water. Mix that together. That's mask number 2. And this is optional, but if you want, and you whatever face wash you're using right now, I'm using this. You put that on to wash off the tint of the turmeric, and it also just cleans your face more. And that's what I do with my face. And as you can see, it's really soft and it helps. And you can see this is the only like annoying pimple right now. Why are you there, dude? But you can see my scar. There's not a lot of scars, and this is literally no makeup. So yeah, if you want to try out these masks, please do. It's natural. It's natural. It's free. It's easy. If you like this video, like just joking here, you guys. If you like this video, like it and share it, subscribe, and if you haven't already subscribed, and hit that little bell button for some more updates on videos and stuff. That's it, guys. That's my skincare routine. And if you want to head over to my other video that I made the other day, you can. I'll put in a link I'll put the link in the description below. Why? If you want to head over to my other video on how to take better care of your skin, that is also kind of part of my skincare routine, but it's not my routine. It's just that's more on a monthly basis, and just in the long run, this is more on short term. So if you want to head over to that video, and you can go watch that if you want, and I can give you tips and stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Can we just take a moment for my vocabulary to just come back? Thanks. Okay. If you want to continue watching videos like this, again, subscribe, and yeah, watch me be a complete unicorn. It really means a lot to you when you watch these videos of me just doing things with my hair and my skin and my body. That sounded really weird. I should really cut that out. Okay. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that's it. That is it. We get it, Lucy. That's it. That's it, Lucy. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'm like, how many times have I said that? You guys probably feel very thankful right now. It's like, oh my gosh, she's saying something so many times. What is up with that? Why? Okay, so yeah. See you soon in some other videos that are coming soon. And stay tuned. Bye. What am I doing with my hands? Bye.